Cooking in a stuffy, hot kitchen is absolutely miserable, but picking the wrong ceiling fan can actually make it worse. Today, I am breaking down the absolute best kitchen ceiling fans so you can finally cook in total comfort. I have spent the last few weeks testing the most popular options on the market right now. I installed them, tested the noise levels, checked the airflow, and critiqued the lighting. Some of these completely surprised me. Let me explain exactly what I found, starting with the fan you have probably seen advertised everywhere.
6. Sofucor ceiling fans. I tested a couple of their wood blade models because honestly, they look gorgeous online. They have this minimalist, carved wood aesthetic that instantly warms up a modern kitchen. The blades are real solid wood, and the motor housing feels surprisingly heavy and well made. Here is what matters when you actually get it on the ceiling, though. The installation process is incredibly frustrating. I mean, the instructions are vague at best. The wiring harness feels a bit cramped inside the canopy. If you're doing this yourself, you're going to need some patience and maybe a friend to hold the heavy motor while you wire it up. Once I finally got it running, the airflow was just okay. It moves air, sure, but for a fan this size, I really expected a stronger breeze directly underneath it. In a hot kitchen where you're actively cooking, you want to feel that relief instantly. This one creates more of a gentle circulation rather than a cooling draft. Then there's the remote control situation. It works, but the response time has this weird delay. You press the button to change the speed and wait a full second before the fan actually decides to respond. It's a small thing, but it gets annoying when your hands are covered in flour and you just want to turn the light on quickly. Bottom line for the Sofucor is that you're paying mostly for the aesthetics. If your kitchen is basically a showpiece and you rarely do intense cooking, it might be fine. Number 5. Hunter 44-inch ceiling fan. Hunter is a legacy brand. My parents had Hunter fans, your parents probably had Hunter fans, so I had decent expectations going into this test. The design is industrial and clean. The metal finish looks premium and it feels incredibly durable right out of the box. The motor on this thing is wonderfully quiet. That is a huge plus. When I had it running on medium speed, I could barely hear a whisper. If you have an open concept kitchen and living room, you will appreciate not having a loud humming noise drowning out your television or conversations. But let me explain where things start to fall apart for a kitchen setting specifically. This particular model does not come with an integrated light kit. I mean, think about that for a second. In a kitchen, you almost always need more overhead lighting, not less. Unless your kitchen ceiling is already packed with recessed lights, losing that central light source is a major downgrade. Another issue I ran into during testing was the blade pitch. The blades are relatively flat compared to others on this list. Because of that, the actual volume of air it moves on high speed feels a bit weak. It spins fast, but the air just sort of scatters instead of pushing straight down where you are standing at the island. So it is a well-built fan that will probably last forever, but the lack of a light and the mediocre air movement make it a tough sell for a dedicated cooking space. 4. Dreo smart ceiling fans with lights. Now we're getting into the modern stuff. I was really eager to test this one because of the smart features. The design is super sleek and it sits relatively flush to the ceiling, which is fantastic if your kitchen has standard 8-foot ceilings. The app integration is where this fan really shines. I synced it to my phone in about 2 minutes. Being able to use voice commands to turn on the fan while I'm holding a dripping whisk is honestly a game changer. The app is intuitive, and you can set exact schedules so the fan kicks on right when you typically start making dinner. The lighting is another big step up. It features a stepless, dimmable LED panel. That means you can dial in the exact brightness and color temperature you want, whether you need bright daylight for chopping vegetables or a warm, dim glow for a late-night snack. This fan actually delivers. I was really impressed by how evenly the light spreads across the room. Airflow is solid too. It uses a DC motor, which makes it incredibly energy efficient and extremely quiet, even on the highest setting. You get multiple speed options, so you can really dial in the comfort level. It definitely pushes more air than the Hunter and does a much better job cooling down the immediate area below it. The only real catch here is that the design might be a bit too modern for some people.
Number 3. POCHFAN ceiling fans with lights and remote. I will be honest, I was not entirely familiar with this brand before this test, but this unit really surprised me in the best way possible. It has a brushed finish and a really low-profile design that hugs the ceiling beautifully. First off, the installation was incredibly straightforward. The instructions were actually helpful, and the parts fit together perfectly. I had this up and running in less than 45 minutes. For anyone intimidated by electrical work, this is about as easy as it gets. The performance is genuinely impressive. It moves a ton of air. During my test, I cranked it up while boiling a massive pot of water, and it cleared the steam out of the area almost instantly. The reversible motor function is also super easy to switch with the remote, which helps push warm air down during the winter months. I also really like the integrated light. It is bright enough to light up my entire testing kitchen space without casting weird shadows on the countertops. The remote control is responsive and clearly labeled. There's no guessing game when you want to tweak the settings. You know, it does not have the fancy smartphone app like the Dreo, but it nails the fundamentals perfectly. It is quiet, it is powerful, and it looks great. If you just want a reliable, powerful fan that you can control from across the room without fussing with your phone, the POCHFAN is a phenomenal choice. Number 2, Passky ceiling fans with lights. This thing is an absolute powerhouse. When I unboxed it, I immediately noticed the build quality. Everything feels premium, from the blade brackets to the glass dome covering the LED light. It brings a really elegant look that blends well with almost any kitchen decor style. Here is what matters the most. The airflow on the Passky is exceptional. It uses an upgraded motor that generates a serious breeze. Standing directly under it feels like standing outside on a windy day. If your kitchen gets unbearably hot when the oven is on, this fan will absolutely save you. The noiseless operation is not just a marketing claim either. Even pushing all that air, the fan remains incredibly silent. All you hear is the actual movement of the air itself, not the motor straining or clicking. It is incredibly relaxing to cook under. The dimmable light is also top tier. You can transition smoothly from a cool, bright white to a warm, cozy yellow. It remembers your last setting too, so when you flip the wall switch, it turns on exactly how you left it. That little memory feature is something you do not realize you need until you have it. Honestly, finding flaws with the Passky was difficult. It checks almost every single box for a kitchen environment. It is beautiful, it is powerful, and it's built to last. It narrowly missed the top spot, but you would be absolutely thrilled having this in your home. Asyko ceiling fans with lights. This fan completely blew me away. I mean, it perfectly balances design, power, and functionality. The aesthetic is stunning. It looks like a high-end designer piece that should cost 3 times as much as it actually does. Let me explain why it wins. The air circulation is unmatched. It features precisely angled blades that push a massive column of air straight down and outward. Within seconds of turning it on, the temperature in the entire kitchen feels noticeably cooler. It handles cooking heat better than anything else I tested. The motor is a marvel. It is completely silent and incredibly smooth. There is zero wobble, even on the maximum speed setting. You can tell they engineered this with incredibly tight tolerances. It just glides. The lighting system is brilliant. It provides rich, clear light that makes food prep a joy. The colors of your vegetables and meats actually look accurate under this light, which is crucial for a kitchen. The remote gives you total control over the speed, dimming, and color temperature with zero lag. Bottom line, the Asyko is the complete package. It is the easiest to recommend because it absolutely excels in every single category. If you want the absolute best cooling experience, the best lighting, and a gorgeous design for your kitchen, this is exactly what you need to buy. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.